Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the sixth session of the Lagos Secondary School Model United Nations General Assembly is hereby called to order.
The United Nations Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator in Nigeria, Mohammed Malik Fall, says the United Nations has pledged its support to Nigerian youths, calling on them to become agents of positive change, both now and in the future. He stated this at the 6th edition of the Lagos Secondary Schools Model United Nations Conference. He noted that young people are not only the leaders of tomorrow, but also have a powerful role to play in shaping today's world.
Young people are not just the future. You are the present. Your voice matters. Your idea can shape policy, transform a community, and drive progress. So I ask you, what will you do with this moment? How will you lead? The world doesn't change by chance. It changed because people like you make it happen. Your journey starts now. Learn, debate, connect, and when you leave this conference, carry this fire forward. The United Nations is proud to be your ally, and we count on you to be a force for positive change, now and in the future.
The UN Information Center in Nigeria will continue to partner all the 6 education districts in Lagos State to ensure the continuity of Lagos Secondary Schools Model United Nations. Not because we just want to tick the box, but because we believe in the objective of Lassmun. And what are these objectives? We believe through Lassmun, we can build young people, young students in understanding diplomacy, in understanding consensus building, in understanding how to shift ground in order to reach a resolution.
Permanent Secretary, Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, Mrs. Abisola Kadijat Dokumu Adegbite, urged the students to be bold, confident, and determined to succeed.
I am so glad my first official assignment is actually with the students. Not the teachers, not the principals, but with the students. And I want to tell you, you might think I don't know what it is like, how you feel right now, but I tell you something, I've been down the lane. In the past, decisions were made for us. Now we're saying we know you are here, we see you, and we want you to be part of the decision. That means we understand you. But where we do not understand you, we're giving you the chance to explain to us so that we will understand. We're giving you the chance to put us forward, to give us pointers. You guys carry so much innovation in you. My son says I shouldn't be using this phone on my laptop. And I look at him with one kind of eyes, like, what's this about? He says, Mommy, you don't understand everything that is on it. You are not maximizing it. And I know in this room, there's nothing you guys will not do with a phone or a laptop. I know. So my charge to you this morning, honestly, channel your potentials in the right direction so we can dismantle barriers and chart a pathway to a meaningful youth engagement. You have it in you. Use it positively. That's all we ask. Help us. Guide us. We've been guiding you. Now we need you to guide us. Will you do that for us? Are you sure? Yes. Madam President, I hope I have your permission to ask that question, because I'm also going to be asking that, are you going to be able to lead these people to guide us in the right direction? Yes, ma'am. As adults, as a government, we want to be fully involved with you. I must say once again, I am highly impressed. Very, very impressed. Very, very. TGPSs, thank you very much. Do I have any teachers here? Please stand up. All the teachers, please stand up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this that you are doing for us. I'm going to finally charge you. Be bold, but not aggressive. Be confident, but not unruly. Be committed to what you believe in, but do not disregard the rules and regulations. You've got it in you. You can make a difference. Thank you, and God bless you.
This conference serves as a pivotal platform for our students to reflect and discuss on issues of global importance, which enhance their sense of connectedness, belonging, and feeling of being valued, and as well as being able to contribute to positive mental health. It improves students' academic performance and social emotional well-being.
As we approach the momentous 80th anniversary of the United Nations, we stand at a pivotal juncture, reflecting on our collective journey and reaffirming our commitment to the enduring principles enshrined in the UN Charter. Today, we focus our attention on a critical imperative, the meaningful engagement of youth in the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. As we commemorate the United Nations 80th year, we recognize that the future of our organization, and indeed the future of humanity, rests squarely on the shoulders of the young people of our world. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by all member states, represents a shared commitment to building a more just, equitable, and sustainable future. However, this vision can only be realized if we empower young people to play a central role in its implementation. Therefore, I call upon all member states, international organizations, civil society, and the private sector to prioritize investment in youth education and skills development by ensuring access to quality education and vocational training that equips young people with the skills needed for the 21st century workforce.
This year's theme, UN at 80, dismantling barriers and charting a pathway to meaningful youth engagement for SDG achievements, underscores the pivotal role young people play in actualizing the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Ensuring access to inclusive and equitable education is a sure recipe for equipping young individuals with necessary skills, knowledge to contribute effectively to societal and sustainable development.
Nigeria's commitment to dismantling barriers has been both bold and innovative. We have reformed policies and built frameworks that encourage youth participation in every facet of society, from education to entrepreneurship to community leadership. The initiatives such as the National Youth Employment Program, Service Corps, NISC, and digital literacy campaigns have not only bridged the gap between formal education and the marketplace, but have also ignited the entrepreneurial spirit present in every corner of our nation.
The conference is themed United Nations at 80, dismantling barriers and charting a pathway to meaningful youth engagement for SDGs achievements.